sir. Yesterday we have seen the significance of extended warehouse management if we compare to the ECC WM and deployment options. The third one, okay. Extended warehouse management is the decentralized warehouse environment, and we require the connectivity between the systems. Either it's embedded S/4HANA environment or else ERP in one instance and SCM is in another instance. In that case also we require the connectivity. If we think about the connectivity, we are going to establish the SAP to SAP connectivity. Normally SAP ERP is capable to connect with SAP as well as non-SAP things also, non-SAP modules, any other thing is there. That is also possible, like Java.NET and etc. etc. Okay. Now we open the system and we check. First I am going to the ERP system, that is called as ECC also. Okay. Go to here. And before that, how do we connect the systems in our laptop?
Oh, what is that LES, sir? SAP LES in middle of decentralized.
Logistic execution system.
That is also,
sir? Yeah, actually the shipping points and etc. I will show you again. This one. LES is nothing but shipping. This one's a shipping point, transportations and etc. etc. That is also one of the submodule in the SAP ERP. Okay, and it can link below the SD module and etc. Shipments VT01, VT02 and etc. etc. If we see vowels here, each vowel is representing a system here, client. Each vowel. See here, 3 are there. Say other ERP is there and SAP is there, and in between another SAP is there, ERP is there, where WM is there, and these are the LES systems. Okay, these two LES systems are connected to one WM. Means one WM environment is sharing by different LES systems. LES also part of the SAP. Okay, this thing. Yeah. Now, how do we connect for our practices? Say this is calling as Logon pad. All we know. 720, 730, 710, 750, etc. etc. We can find out. Okay, and coming to here, just ensure this application server instance number and system ID I will provide. Okay, and this is only the required thing, and no need to configure any softwares in our desktop or laptop. Okay, and we give the application server name here, instance number and system ID. Automatically we can able to connect to these SAP servers, and these servers are somewhere some server providers are maintaining those in different this host IDs and etc. etc. Okay, we are targeting that, and our entire data can be stored in their servers. This way. I will provide you this very soon. Next, coming to this one ERP environment, we are going to use the 800 client for our ECC. Okay, ECC 6 and EHP enhancement pack 7 we are going to use. First we start the connectivity from ERP, and then after finishing this we will come from the EWM side. Two-way communication is required. Why? Because we are sharing the data between these two systems. Okay, go to the IMG setup. SAP reference IMG. IMG stands for the implementation guide. The advantage and why the SAP is popular in the ERP packages means for each and everything they have provided the documentation and standard implementation guide they have given. Yesterday I told that configurations and customizations. Configuration means as it is, we can copy from SAP provided as standard ARG elements, and we adapt into our this one, copy into our required ARG structure names, and we use as it is. Okay, anything additional required, we go with the customizations. Now this is the IMG guide. Okay, implementation guide. Come to here, scroll down in from second one from the bottom. One thing is their integration with other SAP components. These are calling as a nodes. Okay, these are hierarchical nodes within this first category node. This one is calling as a category node. Okay, within that category node we have several nodes. We can find out. Say integration with other SAP components. If we open it here, some other modules names we can find out here. Supplier lifecycle management, APO, transportation management, extended warehouse management, SNC supplier network collaboration, and etc. etc. Okay, we are dealing with the extended warehouse management. Come to here and open it node hierarchy. Here again we can find out the some other subnodes. Basic settings for the system landscape and etc. Data transfer, linkage, and etc. is there. The first one is the basic settings for setting up the system landscape. This is very important to establish a connectivity between these. And say here, before going to SAP integration, say we have a one word called logical system. Logical system. Okay. System is common. Logical means we are providing some logical name for it. Physical and logical. Opposite word of the physical is nothing but the logical. Okay. Logical systems. We require the logical systems and we connect these logical systems to our systems, clients, system clients. Client is nothing but this is a 3-digit code we are using. Just now I have given 800 client and entered into the SAP. And this logical system we connect to the client logical system. And for this also SAP is provided some protocol, but that is not mandatory, just recommendation only. They are not restricting us to maintain the logical systems. Okay. The first 3 digits represent the system name and CLNT, that 4 digits are constant. Up to 10 digit we can be able to this one. And this one is the client number. Okay. The first 3 digits is the system name, CLNT is the constant, last 3 digits are representing the client number. Okay, this is the some format they have given protocol and they are recommending, but they are not restricting. If you want to create with your name also, that is also possible. But if anybody is working other person, he should be able to find out what this logical system belong to this one, this system like this thing. That's why they are given here. And coming to our system, we are into ERP system. We want to connect to the EWM. Okay, means one 2-direction connection also required for us. This one. And from direction also required for us, to and fro. Why? Because we are sharing the data between these two systems. Okay, now we are sitting in the ERP system. Okay, I want to establish with this one, means we need to maintain logical systems for both, and we need to maintain these logical systems for both clients in both systems. To and fro is there, not a unidirectional, that is a bidirectional. Okay, now we see within the system. And don't worry, don't much concentrate on these things. Okay, we cannot have any authorizations during, we can't get any authorizations during our projects also. Entirely this is the basis job, just we need to assist them. This is missing like this thing. Okay, name logical system. In our case, ERP system type is EH7 ERP system type. Okay, CLNT constant, we are using 800 client. So this is the logical system. Coming to the EWM system type is E74 system type, E74 CLNT 300 client we are going to use. So these two are the logical systems for us in our practice. Once after finishing
Sir,
it, I will, yeah, please.
sorry to interrupt. So this could be any name, right? Need not to be same, right?
Yeah, see, for example, your client is 500. You can go with the, say, your system type EH8. Assume that. Your system
Hmm.
type is 8 and your client is some 700. Like you can maintain.
Okay, so this is the nomenclature rule, but we can give any name. That's the question, right?
Yes, yes, yes. The
Okay,
SAP has given some protocol to maintain these
okay,
naming conventions for easy identification. Nothing is there.
okay. Thank you. Yeah, sorry.
Yes. Now come to the name logical system. Go to here. See here, these are the cross-client objects. Okay, and please do not change anything at landscape setup level and etc. Some hundreds of people are working these systems, and they can be affected if we change anything here. Just we will see, even though it is opening. EH7 CLNT 800 client. This one, logical system for ECC client 800. Another one is the E74 CLNT 300 client. This one, logical system for the EWM client. These two we are dealing in our environment. Next. Once after maintaining the logical systems, okay, we need to assign that for our client. Go to here. 800 client and 300 client, both we can see here. Come to here. Say here 800 client, we are assigning this one. And standard currencies at landscape level and etc. We can. And we see here how we are going to deal the change and transports between the clients and etc. Automatic recording and etc. These things. Okay. Any protection against the SAP upgrade, we need to select it. And but no need to bother about this one, and this can be taken care by the basis consultants. Next, come to here 300 client. Say here 300 client is assigned for E74 CLNT 300. Okay, this thing. Now specify SAP APO release. Okay, say when the SAP is released SCM, supply chain management package, APO is the first module. APO is the first module. Okay. After APO only remaining this case, after APO transportation management or event management, supply network collaboration or EWM, whatever it is. But yes, for the name, since they are using it, just APO release like this name itself. Come to here. Which release we are going to work? Okay. What is the logical system? E74 CLNT 300 logical system. This one. And system type here. If we see here within the APO release, we have different system types. APO as itself, one of the system type, SEM basis, SNC, and external systems. These four are the system types available within the APO release. Okay, and this SNC is separate system type. This external interfaces like PI integrations and etc. That one APO is separate. Remaining thing is this one SEM basis. Okay, this our EWM is part of the system type SAP underscore SCMB underscore SCMB. This one. Now coming to here, 713 is there. 713 is nothing but 713. That is the release number. 713 and above we are going to use. 713 and above we are going to use this thing. Next, set up RFC destination. Now we have,
Hello. Yeah,
yeah,
hello.
please.
Yeah, so just wanted to know like this SAP APO release, uh, I mean the basis guy customizing this one or it is automatically copied from the previous step?
Basis people will do that all things. Whenever any customer is purchased from the SAP, that time
Oh,
clearly they mention that what is the release they are going to purchase and etc. For our understanding, we are going to discuss these things. Say for
okay,
example, we are working in the front end, but we should know at least what is the back end instead of transactions, warehouses, putaways, and etc. For that the region we are this one, yeah, and don't much concentrate on these things. Okay, uh, only concentrate on EWM part. Okay, how the flows are going and how the determining definitions and etc.
okay. So
Yeah.
like this 713701, this information, I mean, do we have that information? I mean, can we see that information in the ECC anywhere?
No, not
This
anywhere.
type of,
Okay, that is information in the EWM and EWM server. I will show you once you open that. Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Setup.
one doubt. In
Yeah.
this specify SAP APO release, we only maintain EWM client or also for ERP.
Only EWM, not ERP. Only EWM. What is the target system? Ours. We are in ERP. What is the target? EWM is target our system.
Only for target system. Okay.
Yes, yes, exactly.
No, but there is a EWM client 300 as well, right?
This, what is the target, sir? We are into ERP. Where we are, you are talking about this. This is dummy, not required for us. Okay.
Okay, no, I'm talking about the fourth one from the bottom, fourth one.
1, 2, 3. Sir, someone created some additional data. I told you clearly. Okay. We are going to
Okay,
use these two only. Please consider these two only.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Say for example, I have open is there. I can maintain
Mm,
like this.
mm.
System will accept. Okay. System will
Okay,
accept some logical system if I maintain here. Someone
okay,
instead of practicing the processes, they did the R&D at this level.
okay. So we are just maintaining the destination system here. Destination.
Correct, correct. And I appeal to you all just to see these tables. Don't touch anything. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Actually, say I'm giving one example, sir. We have one car. Okay. Well, either Maruti, Swift, Desire, or whatever it may be the car. Okay. Just we get some idea about say breakdowns and etc. are there. What is the clutch cable failed or brake cable failed or engine is giving sound, engine oil is there, speedometer is there, like this thing, a speedometer is showing the sorry, that the temperature condition is showing the very high, means coolant is this thing, that idea we required. But even though we have the idea, we cannot open our car and we cannot right? The same logic we apply here, that entire maintenance job is the station control consultants. Just please see and go ahead. Okay. For information. Okay, to explain the mechanic, straight away we go to the mechanic and temperature is showing very high. Box, check the coolant oil, like this, to explain that much only we are discussing these things. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
One last thing, can I? Hello.
Yeah, please.
Actually, I have joined late, but we can implement EW on ERP server itself, right? It's not necessary to be having a separate ERP server. As we are using IDA server, within the server also we can maintain EWM.
Yeah, maintain. If everything is Jordan package available.
That's it, right? I mean, inbuilt it will come with SAP, but we can maintain within a server also, rather than maintaining separate server. As you are pointing to someone to somewhere, like EWM to EL7 something.
add-on package as well as separate instance we can go. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now coming to here, set up RFC destinations. Say we are into ERP system. What is the destination for us? We are into ERP system. What is the destination for us? Question, sir. We are in ERP system. What is the destination for us? To send the data.
EWM.
Yes, exactly. So we need to maintain some destination for the EWM system. Okay. Here RFC, one word is there. Remote function calls. Just read from the right side this one. Remote function call. Calling the functions remotely. Remote means somewhere else is there, not here. Somewhere else some functions are there, we are calling. Okay, into our premises. So RFC means remote function call. RFC stands for calling the functions remotely, which are available in some other environment. Okay. So RFC destination. Go to here. This is the SM59 transaction code. Even we cannot touch in our projects. SM59 transaction code. Decode this one. Come to here. If we see here RFC connections, these are the possible ways from our SAP end, entire SAP end. ABAP connections, HTTP connections, and HTTP connections to internal connection, logical connection, TCP/IP, and connections via ABAP driver. Lot of things are there. We don't bother about all these things except this ABAP connection. Come to here. What is the destination for us? This one. Logical system. This logical system we can check. E74. Here it is. This one. E74 CLNT 300 is our destination. If we see this screen, this is divided into some tabs. Administration, who is created, when is created, and etc. are there. And the technical settings come to here, where the EWM system is available. This is the IP address and this is the target host. And within this IP address and target host, system number 45 is the EWM system. System number 45. And now come to the Logon and security. Here, one Logon procedure area, one user ID we can find out with the status, password status saved. Why it is required? Say here, from ERP system means the ECC system, we are sending data to the EWM system. But to receive that data, someone is required. We receive the data, someone is required. We within that system, that someone is nothing but this user ID of client 300. Actually, we are in the 800 client, that is ECC system. One user ID is maintained within the 300 client means EWM system that is maintained here. And one of our friend is saying that if we are in both add-on pack, no need to go for second system. In that case, we click on this current user. Why? Because all are available in the same system. Current user we can use. Now coming to here, Unicode. Here normally recommended thing is the Unicode is a checkbox, any languages and etc. If you find out some Europe country, Sweden or else Denmark or else some other countries, Ireland, and they are using some special characters on their names and etc. Even in China or something, what is that? I will show you. Swedish language. See here, if we see here for this A, on top of A, we can find out some special characters are here. Okay. Even we can find out separate keyboards for those countries. Separate keyboards, laptop keyboards, along with standard English. If they can click on the one button, like our shift button, it can be adopt their local language and etc. These are the special characters. If any special characters system should consider between this ERP and EWM, that must be ticked as Unicode in both systems. I will show you this same screen in the EWM also. Otherwise, it will give error. This wherever the special character is there, one hash symbol error indicator can be appear. Okay, system cannot. Why this is required means we are going to distribute data from ERP to EWM system and receiving the data EWM to ERP system. In that case, some text also very important for the documentations. Or else, say one vendor name is there, that vendor is distributing into the EWM system as a part of master data integration. Any vendor code is having any this kind of special characters that can be throw error. Error means enter not error, that special character filled with hashtag. If we pull any labels or forms, this hash symbol will appear instead of special character. So at the time of first implementation means already you have some ERP with you and you are going to the EWM system. Just advise to your basis consultants to maintain the Unicode. Okay, this thing. By default it is coming non-Unicode. Just tell them to use the Unicode. Next, coming to here, I am maintaining one destination against the E74 CLND 300 means that EWM client. I want to check either connection is perfect or not. Two ways are there. One is remote logon, another one is connection test. Remote logon. Say here, it is taking us to directly into the EWM system, remote logon. With which user ID? RFC user. 300 client. See, connection is there. It's working fine. This meaning. Connection test. Next one is this is the remote logon. Next connection test. Come here. See here, all are with without any errors here. Logon and transfer of 0 KB, 10 KB, 20 KB, 30 KB. If anything is error, it will show some red lines here. Connection test. Okay, this thing. Now our RFC destination is working fine. Next, come back to node. Now establishment is there from ERP to the EWM end. Now, do you want to use any specific kind of application cases assign these RFC destinations? This is data transfer, sending the data, org structures, master data. That is another part. Apart from that, that is common thing. Apart from that, do you want to go with any different application cases from here itself against that RFC destination? We see what kind of this thing available. Next, say logical system. These are the logical system. Application case. And one more thing is there, another protocol they have given, RFC destination name and logical system name, both should be unique. Both should be unique, but that is a recommendation, not the restriction from SAP and okay, these things. Say if you want to use logical system is separate and RFC destination name separate, that is your wish. Okay, this thing. But any third party wants to see that system, he can able to identify this. Okay, this thing. Next, application cases. Come to here. These are 5 application cases are there. Availability check. Say for example, if we want to integrate any GATP module to our ERP and EWM combinations, in that case, we need to perform the availability check. But coming to here, if we divide our environment between the ERP and EWM systems, ERP inventory management level, EWM is warehouse level, means bins and etc. Bins and etc. Okay. Say for example, I want to create any sales order in in ERP system, that should be able to check the bin level data. Here both are different system. One is the time level, another one is WM level. But I am not sure both these stacks should be synced. Maybe some percentage of the difference also we can see if the users are not performing well and etc. To correct that, we are going with physical inventories and etc. things. Okay. Once I create the sales order, my system should be able to check the stock position at bin level, lowest stock level, that under this level, not in ERP system, EWM system. In that case, we go with this availability check. Next. And one more thing is there, display application log of another system. Application log. Okay. Say if we activate the logs for our applications, we can able to see either that application processed successfully or not. Okay. This can be available in both systems, ERP and EWM system. Entire SAP, irrespective of the SAP environments, application log is available. Okay. For that, but normally if we are dedicating to this SAP MMSD and other modules, we cannot see that application logs. SLG1 is the transaction code for that one. SLG1. You say here all, ensure the all. This one here, if we give the date range application log, we are checking. Say here, this every transaction, every application recording a log. Say here some red symbol or green symbol. Say they are using some other person, they are using some destination error they are getting. Okay, like this thing. And someone is dealing with some baddie that is successfully processed, like these things. Okay. This is the application. This can be available in both systems. Say this meaning is from ERP itself, I want to access the EWM systems application log. That is also possible with application cases. Okay. This thing. Next, QRFC monitor. Q means queue. Some packet of data. Q means some packet of data. Packet of data. Okay. This thing Q. QRFC. Some bunch of data or whatever it could be, some package, data package, remote function calls. Okay. These also, this QRFC sending the data into the EWM system, receiving the data from EWM system and etc. Okay, if anything is wrong, means some master data issue or else some org level element or something like some errors are there, those queues can be struck, depends on the system. Say that error relevant within the EWM system, that can be struck in the EWM system. If the error is relevant in the ERP system, that queue blocked at ERP system. In that case, we need to go there and correct the data and reprocess the queue. This is the process. Okay. This. Say for this we have the queue monitors. For this we have queue monitors. Inbound queue monitor, inbound queue monitor, outbound queue monitor. Outbound queue monitor, inbound queue monitor and outbound queue monitor. For this we use separate transactions. SMQ2 for the inbound queue type, SMQ1 for the outbound. These are the transaction codes. Now we will see our queue monitor within the ERP system. Okay. SMQ2, SMQ2. This one, QRFC monitor, inbound queues. If we execute here, nothing is, that means everything is flow is correct. Okay. Say the same transaction code available in the EWM also, these queues, inbound queues. If I want to see the EWM monitor from ERP itself, then we can go with this application case, queue monitor. Next, debugging. Okay, say the here in ERP we have the ABAP programs in backends, and EWM also ABAP program is there. Okay, now debugging two types. One is internal debugging, another one is the external debugging. I am sitting at ERP system and I want to debug the EWM system coding. Okay, that is also possible if we activate the external breakpoints at program level. External breakpoints, that is also possible if we want to go the see from here debugging. That is also possible. Next, MD, master data, display master, product master, or product view. Okay, say before going to this product master and etc., here we discuss something. To run any business, three things are mandatory. Three things are mandatory. The first one is the org data. Second one is the master data. Third one is the transaction data. Without this, we cannot run anything. Without this, anything is missed out of these three, it's not possible to run a business. Org data, that can represent either plant, storage location, or warehouse, or whatever it may be. Org data, sales organization, or if we go with a production plant, or whatever it may be. Org data. Master data, product masters, vendors, customers. Okay, I have org data with me, but I don't have product master or vendor master. What should I do with org structure? That was transaction data. Org data is there, master data is there, but I don't have any transaction data, means that is meaningless. So these three are important parts. Now we are integrating from ERP to EWM. How we can manage these three? Org data, master data, transaction data. Okay. Org data, we use plant, shipping point. These two only to integrate EWM system. Coming to master data, products, vendors, customers. Okay, this thing. Org data and master data. And coming to the transaction, inbound, outbound. Means inwarding the products, outwarding the products. These are these. One sec here, we can give subdivision. Okay, this thing. This is org data. How we handle between these two systems. Org data and master data unidirection. Unidirection. Only this side. I will show you one image also. And these also unidirection. Unidirection. And coming to transaction data, this is bidirectional. Bidirectional means to and fro. To and fro. Okay, this thing. Now coming to here, display product master and product view. ERP material is considering as a EWM product. ERP material is considering as a EWM product. Once I distributed our material into the EWM that is turned as a product, I want to see that product views from ERP itself. That is possible through this MD, master data. Okay, these 5 cases are there, but with some, if we maintain here, it's not possible. Some back-end setup also required, and that is not possible in IDAS servers. Okay, conclusion. IDAS server. We are working on IDAS. Next, set target system and queue type. What is our target? EWM system. E74 CL and D. This one. Here, other 2 columns are there. Operational mode and queue type. What is this operational mode? T, transactional events active, standard one. Down, no transfer to the target system. I, initial data transfer active. Okay. The first one is T, transactional events active, means running system, running live systems. Down, say EWM some 9.0 is there, assume that EWM 9.0 is there, I want to upgrade to 9.5. In that case, and we want to block the data, it should not distribute into the EWM. In that case, what we can do, we opt this down button, means this system is going to be down. Next, initial data transfer active. Normally, this we use in the cutover activities, initial data and etc. in greenfield implementations. Okay, this way. Now, queue type I is there. What is meant by queue type I? Okay, say here, coming to the queue types, 2 options are there. If we keep the blank, that represent the outbound queue type. If we keep the I, that represent the inbound queues. Say from ERP, I am sending data to EWM system. Unfortunately, EWM system is not available. or else our ERP system is not able to find out the EWM system address or whatever it may be. Okay. In that case, where that queue can be structured. Just now, sometime back we have seen queue monitor. Okay. Either our system only or else EWM system. Say I'm sending the data to one of the EWM system, address is not able to find out from ERP system. In that case, that queue can be struck and that can appear in our inbound queue of the ERP system. Inbound queue. Straight away we go there, rectify that error, reprocess it. Okay. And sometimes address is there, that can be data processed, but some master data issues or data issues at EWM system. There the queue got stuck in the inbound queue. EWM inbound. Okay. Well, we access that EWM system and correct the data, processing that queue. Okay. So SAP is recommending that use the inbound queue type for this, recommending. Now my question is, what if I choose the outbound queue type? What will happen? Outbound queue type means I am sending the data, and it can be lost the control if we go with the outbound queue type. RFC destination is not available, and it can be somewhere stored, not in the queues, and it is little difficult to identify that. So that's why SAP is saying that inbound queue type. All failure queues can be stored in the inbound queues only. These things. Next thing. Setting of the, okay, this we will discuss later. Now I am logging off this EWM system, ERP system, going to the EWM. Completely log off. Go to the EWM. Okay. And just I will show you. EWM system, one of the SM59 transaction code, we have seen that system ID is 45, system number. Go to here, edit. See here, system number is 45. And system ID is E74. This one, system ID. So the 300 client, we are going to use the 300 client. System ID E74, we are using the 300 client. So our logical system is becoming this one. E70 for system type, CLNT, and 300. Okay. Here also screens, we have the SAP EG axis, IMG, and etc. we have. Okay. Here, EG axis screen. And SPRO transaction is available. Go to here, IMG setup. And one of our friend asked us where we can see this 713, 714 like these things. Now we are in EWM system. Go to system, status, under SEMB. Okay. Go to this one, product version system data. SEMB 713. See here, this one, SEMB 713 SEM basis extension. This is the support package they have implemented. This cannot be, sorry, this one, sir, SEM basis. Okay. And support package level, SP level 0008 and etc. are there. Okay. This thing. Now we are into implementation guide. Now the very first thing is we need to establish the connectivity from EWM to ERP system. EWM to ERP. Go to the SEM Extended Warehouse Management. SEM stands for Supply Chain Management. Supply Chain Management. Go to here. Say system environment is in SEM basis EWM. I have shown. Okay. Here you within this SEM Extended Warehouse Management, we find out two categories: Extended Warehouse Management and SEM basis. This SEM basis deals with the high-level landscape integrations and etc. And Extended Warehouse Management deals with the org elements and etc. Now, high-level landscape setup. This can be available under SEM basis. Click on here. The first one is the integration. Go to integration. Say here. Here also we can see this basic settings for creating the system landscape. The same name we find out in the ERP also. Click here. Name logical systems. What is our logical systems? EH7 ELNT 800 and E74 300. Ignore all these things. Someone practiced. Okay, just for their satisfaction, they have created and left it. Okay. Still there. Logical system cannot be deleted. Okay. Must not be deleted. Okay, leave it. If we see here, EH7 CLND 800 and E74 300 clients are there. The logical systems. Come to here, the next node is assign logical system to a client. Come to here. 300 and 800. 300 representing our EWM environment. Come to here. E74 CLNT 300 is connected. Okay, this thing. Now 800. This one is connected. Next. Set up RFC destination. We are in EWM. What is our destination? Obviously, it is ERP system. Okay. Come to set up RFC destination. ABAP connections. While we are working, SAP to SAP only. Here, this is the SM59 transaction code. SM59. Look at this. ABAP connections. EH7 CLNT 800. This thing. Double click on it. Say here also have been technical settings, Logon and technical settings. See here 41. 41 is our system number, ERP system number. For EWM 45. Okay, this way. And Logon and security. Here we can see RFC user of 800 client. If we send the data from EWM system to ERP, the data can be registered or received by this RFC user. And Unicode same attributes. Okay, need to keep Unicode if any special languages are there. Now remote login. Click here. Say here straight away it is taking us to this one 800 client, but username is RFC user. Okay, this thing. And also connection test. Okay, everything is perfect. Connection test. Okay, this thing. So from here also the data is that connection RFC destination is perfect. Next, assign RFC destination to various application cases. There we have seen different application cases like our availability check, external debug, and application log of another system, queue monitor of another system, product views. Those 5 application cases we have seen in ERP. Now we see assign RFC destination to various application cases. Go to here. If we have the connectivity from EWM to ERP, what kind of application cases is? See here. Display application log of another system. SL given transaction code, we have seen that application log. And QRC monitor, SMQ2, we can able to see here. Alert monitor, say alert management sub-component available within the SAP environment. Okay, if we want to activate that alerts, in that case, alert monitors are separate. Anyway, we are not having that to see in our system. Okay, just Google it regarding the alert management, alert monitors, etc. Okay, alert monitor. If I want to see from here itself, that is possible. Debugging, external debugging, and apart from that, any other system administration tools we want to see, that is also possible. The SIF cockpit. SIF stands for core interface. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going to start the SIF. Okay. Every SIF application can be stored in a SIF cockpit. From here itself, I want to target the SIF cockpit. That is also possible. Next, apart from this, maintain material in ERP system from packaging specification. See here the last word, packaging specification, that is one of the EWM specified master data. Packaging specification. Read from the right side. Specifications for the packaging. I have one mobile phone with me. How I want to go, how I want to pack that product. Some specifications are required. Within the mobile phones also we can find out different sizes and different models and etc. And unique boxes cannot be supported. See, because one is 4-inch display, 7-inch display, 8-inch display is there. If I go with common box for 8-inch display, that can become a loose for 4-inch display moment. So different packaging materials are required for the products. Okay, that we specify in terms of the master data. That master data is nothing but the packaging specification. The packaging specification is the EWM specific master data. With reference to this packaging specification, if we want to create the packaging materials in the ERP system, you will get a clear idea during those topics. That is possible. Okay. These are the various application cases. Anyway, it's not possible to access in IDAS systems. Next, yeah. Business system is there. Tomorrow I will explain you that business system group. Okay, yeah. For today, I am stopping the session. Please let me know any queries before closing the session regarding our today's session. And main thing, whatever we discussed today, that cannot part of the functional consultant.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Good morning. Sir, whatever settings we are doing in ERP also, the same settings we want to do in EWM also, because
Yes,
the name logical. So both should be synchronized. Then only the functions will, the core interface will work correctly. Correct, na, sir?
Correct, sir. Otherwise, the connection test will fail.
Okay. No, because the same options are available in the ERP and same options are available in EWM system also, na, sir. So that's why I'm asking.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.